Good afternoon, everyone. This is Saro Arakelians, your clinical pharmacist. Welcome to another episode of Medication Education News and Update. So, what is 7-fact or coagulation factor 7A? This medication is from HEMA Biologics, FDA approved in 2020. This medication is a coagulation factor 7A, is a concentrate indicated for treatment of and control of bleeding episodes occurring in adults and adolescents 12 years and older with hemophilia A and or B with inhibitors. The active ingredient in 7-fact is a recombinant analog of human factor 7A, a vitamin K dependent coagulation factor. In the presence of both calcium and phospholipids, factor 7A in a complex with tissue factor activated factor 10 to factor 10A directly bypassing the reactions that require factor 8 or factor 9. Activation of the factor 10 to factor 10A initiates the common pathway of the coagulation cascade, in which prothrombin is activated to thrombin, which then converts to fibrinogen. It comes in a lyophilized powder in a single-use vial containing 1 or 5 milligram of coagulation factor 7A. After reconstitution with a specific volume of sterile water for injection, each ml contains 1 milligram or 1000 microgram of coagulation factor 7A. For mild to moderate um, 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 disease, it's 75 microgram per kilogram repeated every 3 hours until the bleeding reaches the hemostasis. Or initial dose of 225 microgram per kilogram. If hemostasis is not achieved within 9 hours, additional 75 microgram per kilogram doses may be administered every 3 hours as needed to achieve hemostasis. Again, for more dosing instructions, make sure to refer back to the package insert, which will give you more information and directions on how to dose per patient and per condition of the patient. So, some of the common side effects seen from 7-fact include dizziness, infusion site discomfort, infusion site hematoma, headache, and dizziness. Again, 7-fact or coagulation factor 7A for treatment of adults and adolescents to control bleeding episodes with hemophilia A or B with inhibitors. For more detailed information, again, refer back to the package insert available online from HEMA Biologics website. Hope you enjoyed this video. As always, stay safe and take your medications.